Did you know that trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses live inside your gut? This incredible community of microbes is called the gut microbiome. It plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Think of it as a hidden world within you, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. Your gut microbiome is unique, like a fingerprint. It is shaped by your diet, lifestyle, and environment. From the moment you are born, your gut starts collecting these microbes. These microbes influence various bodily functions, from digesting food to boosting your immune system. A diverse microbiome is one with many different types of microbes. This diversity is essential for a balanced and resilient gut. A diverse microbiome helps to break down a wider range of foods, extracting more nutrients for your body. It also strengthens your immune system, making you less susceptible to infections. When your gut microbiome lacks diversity, it can become imbalanced, leading to various health issues. Factors like a poor diet, antibiotic use, and stress can reduce microbial diversity. This complex community of microbes breaks down food that your stomach can't digest on its own. They help us absorb nutrients from food that would otherwise be indigestible. These helpful bacteria ferment fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is incredibly beneficial, acting as fuel for the cells lining your gut and reducing inflammation. This process keeps your gut lining healthy and prevents leaky gut syndrome. Your gut microbiome acts as a first line of defense against harmful bacteria. A large part of your immune system resides in your gut, constantly interacting with your microbiome. Beneficial bacteria in your gut train your immune system to recognize and fight off harmful pathogens. They do this by competing with harmful bacteria for space and resources, preventing them from taking hold. This constant interaction keeps your immune system alert and ready to defend your body. The gut-brain connection impact on mental well-being. Your gut and brain communicate constantly through a complex network of nerves and chemicals. Your gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation, sleep, and even cognitive function. Imbalances in your gut microbiome have been linked to mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Taking care of your gut health can positively impact your mental well-being, promoting a more balanced and positive mood. Weight management and metabolism, the microbiome's influence. Emerging research suggests that the gut microbiome might play a role in weight management and metabolism. Your gut microbes influence how your body stores fat, regulates blood sugar levels, and even how you feel hunger and fullness cues. Studies have shown that people with obesity tend to have a different gut microbiome composition than those who are lean. Factors affecting your gut diet, antibiotics, and stress. Several factors can impact the balance and diversity of your gut microbiome. A diet rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are also beneficial as they contain live beneficial bacteria. Overuse of antibiotics can wipe out both good and bad bacteria, leading to an imbalance that can take time to recover. Chronic stress can also negatively affect your gut microbiome. Stress hormones can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. Regular exercise also benefits your gut microbiome and a healthy gut environment.